Now, let me show you how to measure the size of the door hole. First of all, we need to measure the width and height of 3 points because the wall may be uneven. So we need to take 3 points and choose the minimum value. First step, we measure the width. Take the 3 points, bottom, middle, top.
The first point is bottom. The value is 84 millimeters. The second point is middle. The value is 83.5 millimeters. The third point is top. The value is 83.5 millimeters.
The second step, we measure the height. Take the left, middle, right, these 3 points.
The next point, left. The value is 233.5 millimeters. The second point, middle. The value is 233 millimeters. The third point, right. The value is 233 millimeters.
Finally, the result is the size of door hole.